What's poppin'? Hope you guys are good. It's your favorite DJ Apex, and I'm not alone, guys. I'm with my baby, Lady N.
It is your girl, Lady N. You know what it is.
Oh yeah. It's the third episode of What's Poppin', guys. We still got you guys. So please subscribe. New subscribers, keep on watching because we got like good content for you guys. Alright, let's get straight to it now. So the latest updates on our segments on Amapiano. It's we have Lady Do. So yeah, Lady Do expands her empire with self-funded wine venture. Meaning like she funded the company yakhe le enja wine. So she's into wining now. So abancane wine bafethu Lady Do umphethe grand like umrara waka Lady Do bafethu.
Yeah, guys, abalandeli bewine niyazazi so nje ungaziyemisi.
Yeah, bafethu Lady Do, she's one of the artists abaphushayo, and she's because like she's one of the businesswomen but in South Africa aba successful and aba big, because she has Wawa Beauty, I think it's a salon, mini salon for kids, Lady Do Entertainment, which is the record label, Wawa Water, property. She's into property investment, construction company, and she's also an author. So yeah, like she's a jack of all trades.
Yeah. So nje uyasazi story sakhe uLady Do. Like uyayazi into ayifunayo yabo, uyayisebenzela yabo. So nje zonke lezi zinto anazo uzisebenzele guys. Like ukusebenza kanzima ukuze uthole izinto oyifunayo. Ngeke zizikho izinto kumele wena uchase lezo zinto lezo.
Sure.
Ufuna ukuthi sibe khona empilweni yakho.
Yeah, injalo futhi. Yeah, maningebamba kanjalo. Chase your dreams, like uzofika la ufuna ukufika khona. Yeah, like she's an inspiration, especially to the women out there. Ukuthi bafethu ninga rely emachitini kakhulu yabo. Nani ngakhona ukuziphandela.
Yeah, guys, it is not a crime to be independent, guys. As a woman,
it's not a crime. It's not a crime. Yeah. Alright, guys, let's get on to another segment. We have Kevin Momo. Izinja the piano. Yeah, Kevin Momo officially crosses 500 million streams worldwide on Spotify. Guys, I feel to like push it to Kevin Momo. Like that's so dope. Like yeah. Alright, guys, let's move forward again. Shout out to Kevin Momo though that. But now we're getting to another segment now. So, bafethu le ngiphethe no, young Kenya ingizusukhlungu for abantu abasesowethu yabo abancane ama street bash. Bafethu nalento yokuthi abantu basilahlele ngamabhodlela, like why you guys gotta drop bottles on people kuma street bash, because nasikhawatha bafethu. Sesingabo Scarface manje ngoba ngihola ibhodlela eklabhini ngabantu bani. Like
guys, ukubhede ekasi bad vibes. Bad vibes, shame. Like angazi ukuthi nje ngayithi nje indaba like asishame so nje street bash guys.
Nice. Abantu bafethu ngicela niyekeni lento because manje abanye abantwana abajayiva kabuhlungu yabo. Like akukho mnandi like uthi ufika endaweni uzovakasha Soweto sebakukapa ngebhodlela. And ku West Part ni-31 bekhala nama cricket.
Phakathi ebantwini baphonse ama-cricket ebantwini lapho bayajayiva abantu. Like ingqondo ikuphi uma uqala wenza lento le, because i-cricket liyingozi guys. You know ukuthi like baningi abantu aba-admithwa ey'bhedlela ngenxa yama-cricket. So manje uzothatha i-cricket ulayide bese uzolahlela ebantwini. Doesn't make sense.
Alright, guys, let's get to another one now. So DC's lifestyle, there's a new merchandise that is out now at DC's. So I'm gonna put the address there. DC's lifestyle, ngizofaka branch address wabo ne. Yeah, but mainly khona lela imfulo bafethu. Yeah, yiyo vele khala khona fede yabo like qinile yabo. So bafethu and support it bafethu, like support local, because local yiyo izophakamisa i-South African economy yabo. le ndaba yokurelya ku-government bafethu angeke sisize. Yeah, so we need to push ourselves
Support
into our businesses
local
of it.
brands, guys.
Yeah.
Always support local brands.
Song of the year. We're now into song of the year. Nitin bafethu with the song of the year. Mina ngincane ukuthi Shela was part of the song of the year, guys.
Yeah. And
By
also
Ubuhle.
and also Radolaka.
Yeah.
Uzinxumalo Shebeshita guys like basebenzile.
Yeah.
Like shout out to them like guys ngisebenzile so nje.
Yeah.
Sawabongela. Ngathi nje bangaqhubeke benze ubuhle kodwa.
Yeah, shout out. Yeah. Kwenza ubani ushayishela usemdeep nobuhle. Yeah. Shout out.
Akhona umuntu udlela ngazona
Okay, we need to check it out though, but yeah, we'll make our proper research about the other artists. Yeah, Alright, cool, it's just a flash. Okay, now we'll be right into the conclusion now. So, I Show Speed was in South Africa, guys. So, I Show Speed, guys.
Everyone was excited, guys. Like, everybody was excited, like, nje yazi nisibonge nje nokuthi nimwelcome kahle I Show Speed.
Yeah, so like I Show Speed, I love the fact that he actually proved that there's no white genocide in South Africa, because like everyone was waiting for him. They actually gave him the rightful South African experience, like yeah, guys, like so uhambe like ayazi experience as a South Africa, you know. Yeah, I just love the fact that I Show Speed like Toyake to come to South Africa has a positive impact for the country. Yeah, like shout out to I Show Speed. Yeah, so to conclude the show, guys, Ukana Bafithu will be coming to Expo Center on the 10th of Jan. So yeah, Bafithu pull up there,
guys,
like and session figure it out, Bafithu. It's gonna be a fun experience.
True. Yeah.
Oh yeah. So yeah, this is the end of the episode, guys. What's Popping, episode 3. We're coming back again next week, guys. So yeah, I hope you guys are still subscribing there. Please like and subscribe, guys. Oh yeah, we still got you. Danko.
Bye.